My name is Tristan, and I'm a playologist at the Glazer Children's Museum. And today, we're going to be making party crowns out of paper bags. Why are we making party crowns, you ask? Well, because GCM is getting ready to celebrate its birthday. That's right, even museums can have birthdays. How do you celebrate? I know I love looking at fireworks. Did you know that fireworks are over 1,000 years old? They were first made in China and were made out of bamboo. Nowadays, they're a lot more complicated and used to celebrate many things like the 4th of July or New Year's. And how about a cake with lots of candles? Candles have a lot of celebratory uses, like the 7 candles of Hanukkah or the Lantern Festival in Asia. And of course, party hats. Speaking of, let me show you how to make your very own crown at home. The materials we are going to be using are a paper bag, watercolors, a paintbrush, glue, glitter, sequins, and masking tape. Of course, you can use anything to decorate your crown. This is just an example. The first thing we need to do is cut our bag down to size. To do that, take a pair of scissors and cut a line down one side of the bag, then cut the bottom of the bag off. Now, we should be able to lay it completely flat on a table. Now, let's make it look like a crown. Take your scissors and cut it in a zigzag pattern. This will be the top of our crown. Now, don't be worried that it isn't a perfect zigzag. That just makes it unique to you. Next, let's measure the crown. Take the bag and wrap it around your head. Make sure it can rest snugly on your head, but not too tight. We don't want to squeeze our brain juices out. Now, for the fun part. Let's make this crown totally unique. Take out your brushes and watercolors and start painting. You can paint different patterns, shapes, words, anything you like. At the end of the day, just let your creativity roam. Wow, our crown is looking great. But I know how to make it look even greater. Using our glue, let's attach our decorations. Again, you can use whatever you like to decorate your crown. Pipe cleaners, pom-poms, beads, feathers, anything. As long as it's yours, it'll look amazing. Now that's what I call a rockin' party crown. But before we put it on, we need to let it dry. Leave it out overnight somewhere where it can't get dirty or disturbed in the morning. And then you'll have a beautiful, stylish, lovely party bag crown. The last thing we need to do is curve it like so, tape it together, and then put it on. Thank you so much for joining me, friends. I hope you have a blast-tastic day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.